Hi guys, welcome back on TechAid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to hide all Facebook photos. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply open your profile. I can already open my profile. After opening the profile, you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you can see your posts. Here you can now tap on the three dots that is top right corner of the photo. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on edit privacy, and after this you can just simply tap on only me, and now you can tap on done, and after this you can repeat the same process to the other post, and it is a way you can hide all photos on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.